My name's Paul, and I do a hobby called amateur radio, which is talking via radio to people like myself all around the world. So this is a little radio I use. It's nice little radio, and I'll play you a file which I done earlier, which is a guy from Australia, and he's about I don't know, 16,000 kilometres that way, and so it just gives you an idea of only using a very small power and a meter tall antenna on the roof of the car. And I come down to the beach, and because it's better for reception and transmitting. So I'll play you a little bit and see what you think.
Golf Tango Bravo QRP 2 Echo 0 Golf Tango Bravo stroke QRP, over.
Okay, 2 Echo 0 Golf Tango Bravo QRP, you're 5 and 5, over.
Yeah, QSL, you're a 5 and 7 to me, a 5 and 7. I'm only putting 6 watts. I'm only using 6 watts with a 2 metre vertical antenna. So thank you very much for answering my call. You've made my day, over.
Roger, Roger, thank you very much, and my pleasure, lovely to hear you with 6 watts, so congratulations. My name is Laurie, Lima Alpha, Uniform Romeo India Echo. Thank you for the call, and 7-3, bye-bye.
Okay, Laurie, thank you very much. My name is Paul, Papa Alpha, Uniform Lima. 73, Laurie, thank you, bye-bye.
Thank you, 7-3, bye-bye. Uniform Tango 3, Uniform America, mate. Go ahead.
There you go. So that was Laurie. I think I spoke to him before, but it's not very often you get conditions, especially on that band, and because every 11 years there's a cycle, and it makes conditions a hell of a lot easier. So hope so. I'll get some more contacts later on. So catch you a bit later.